In this video, I will show you how to do Block Blast Glitch. 1. Infinite Move Glitch. Some users report that when you quickly tap multiple blocks in succession, the game doesn't register all the moves, allowing you to get extra moves without using any steps. Here's how you do it. Select your moves, but instead of tapping one block at a time, tap multiple blocks quickly in a sequence. The game might not count some of your taps, giving you more moves than displayed. Note: this glitch is inconsistent and might be patched in future updates. 2. Undo move tricks. After making a mistake, you can exploit the undo system by closing and reopening the app before the game autosaves your move. Make a wrong move or one you don't want. Immediately close the app before the move is registered. Reopen the app and you may find your last move undone. These glitches may not work on all devices or game versions, and the developers could fix them in future updates. These are only working at the time of recording. So this is how to do Block Blast Glitch.